You said you cannot see anything, and I listened. So we start this one with Ayia Napa in a nice afternoon and with some birds flying away. This is where we were staying pretty much when we were working at that hotel. Obviously, we cannot say which. And you can see like how nice it is from above. Obviously, the houses, they're looking a bit, I wouldn't say old, but they look as in we're in a village or in a Greek island, which is an island in Cyprus. It's very close, but you have some hints of technology, of improvement, of, modern stuff. This is the classical street you're going to be visiting if you're going for the clubs, which we pretty much never did, but we did live nearby. So if you want to sleep at any time of the day, do not book anything there. Whatever insulation you might think you have, it's not going to help you. Like we were pretty much, I don't know, maybe like 100 meters away, 50 to 100 meters away from the beginning of them, and dang, that was not enough. Even with closed windows, even with earplugs, it was not easy. It was not easy. You get used to it, especially if you're living if you're working for the season, but if you don't, well, better luck next time. Now, what I have to say is the place can be very touristic. It can be very crowded at times, but the sea is still very nice, very clean. I think that when I was scuba diving, well, pretty much just taking my GoPro and the mask and just going, I found like glasses. I found a dress, which is okay. I understand. It's very strange, but still, the water was very clean. That was very nice. This is again Ayia Napa, the road on the left side of your screen. A very nice place. Here you can see the streets. This is how it looks like. Obviously at night it's a lot better. It has some good lighting. All in all, it's a nice place to visit. Just be advised, it's very, very, very crowded. This is the municipality headquarters, and they have a small stage that they actually have shows at times, but most of them are traditionally, Cyprus stuff. So if you're interested in them, maybe you can go ahead and do that. Now, all of these are pretty much, places that you can stay. You can clearly see that this is the case because all of them are small apartments. Usually staying is not that expensive compared to the rest of the European Union, but damn man, if you're looking to stay in Greece or in Cyprus, I would say maybe Ayia Napa is a bit more expensive than, You can find cheaper places in Greece in general, but Greece is a lot bigger. Ayia Napa is a specific area. What else can we say? I don't know. You wanted to see it during the day. Now there you have it. This is it during the day. You can see that limo taxis. We never actually got into one of those. Personally, I was using my bike. I just didn't find any reason to do so. So that was the case. By the way, you can recycle pretty much everything. So, save them up. Do not throw them all in the regular trash bin. You can recycle pretty much everything, which is a very nice thing to do. Again, the sunset is very nice. You can walk pretty much the center, even from this location, and it's always a nice walk. You see people, you see how vivid it is, especially in these afternoons. And this is pretty much houses, the ones that you see now, that people that they come and work for the season. This is where they usually stay. But as you can see, man, the clubs are on the right front side. So if you have any more questions, I'm gonna be probably doing a bit more of those types of videos. So do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer any of them. Cheers. Until the next one.